Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. If you don't know me already, I create premium WordPress plugins and sell them on CodeCanyon. This is my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how I upload videos to YouTube and how is the full process of the video uploading that works for me best. Leave in the comment section for this video anything that you wish to tell me, or you wish to make a completion for this process, or you think that something's wrong with it, let me know. Okay, so let us get started by clicking upload video from this icon, and let me drag the last video that was created by me. This should be the previous video from so this before this video, the sneak peek video should be shown. So after this I will upload this video. Okay, so as you can see, the video is uploaded and it is processing right now. Let us give it a nice title. So a sneak peek on what I am working right now, released next on CodeCanyon. Okay, so if you want to take things to the next level and you don't want to go with the first title that pops into your head like I just did here, then we should install TubeBuddy, which is has also a free version, and click on Tools and launch Keyword Explorer now. And here we can enter the keywords we are targeting and check their popularity and if it is good to target them, or if we should go with something else. So if we take what am I working on and hit enter, we can see that it is poor, and this is pretty hard to target, this keyword. But let's search for something else. Let's say next plugin to be released, and this is a good, so we can see the search volume is fair, competition is in the yellow, which is pretty good, but search optimization strength is on the green. Okay, so the overall is score for this keyword is good. So let me take this keyword and put it here. The next plugin to be released on CodeCanyon. And if we check the sneak peek part, maybe this should be also replaced. And this is also a good score. Let me leave this like it is. Okay. Next, I am going to input tags. For this, let me copy the tags and search for YouTube tags on Google, and you will see that rapid tags will pop up. Use tool for free, paste the title here, and there will be some tag suggestions for the video. Let's copy this and paste it here. So let's remove anything that is not relevant to what we are working on here. How to make portfolio website? No. Release date, WordPress plugin, page builder plugin, let's say no. This time the suggestions are not pretty relevant. Let's enter some tags manually then. Sneak peek my next plugin. What am I working on? Next release. My work. Behind the scenes. What is the next plugin? How will the next plugin release date? Next plugin release date. Next work, and so on. So as you can see, we can go until 500 characters mark. What can CodeRevolution plugin Newsmatic successor? So Newsmatic is one of my most popular plugins, and we can include this in the tags. Newsmatic plugin release date, and so on. So we can still go with some more tags. If you have any tag ideas, you can put them in the video's description and if they're good, I will consider them using. So another tag should be working on. I am working on plugin work, custom plugin release, custom plugin, WordPress custom plugin, and the next plugin. Okay, so these are okay for now. Let's add this video to also a playlist, to announcements playlist. Let's publish the video on a scheduled basis. So let us schedule this to Friday on 1 p.m. local time. Because until then I already have videos that are scheduled, and also a custom thumbnail is needed. For this, let us search let's say Pixabay and sneak peek. Oh, this is perfect. So let's check this one. Okay, now let us give here a text. Sneak peek what will be the next plugin I am working on. Which sneak peek the next plugin sneak peek check the next plugin I am working on. Okay, let us see if we change colors. Okay, so there is too much text here. Sneak peek my next plugin, and there should be a larger text here. Sneak peek my next plugin. Okay, and let us enter also some custom branding like CodeRevolution. and this with the blue or white, because blue is not working pretty well. Okay, let's go finally with black. So black is okay. Let's try to center it a bit, and it is good like this. Saved it, and now let's get back to the video. And okay, so yeah, we have now this. Now let's go to the description. In this video I will show you a sneak peek of my next plugin I am about to release on CodeCanyon. Stay tuned for news by subscribing to this YouTube channel. I will release updates about it here soon. Okay, so as you could see, there was also a default description which appears on each of my videos. This default description was set from YouTube settings. So if we go to YouTube settings, there you can see that you have a default video description settings field, and you can set this here. And this is a description that appears on every of my YouTube videos. Okay, now we can go ahead and check advanced settings tab from the video, and here also I have set the default values for this. So if you don't have the default values set for these fields, then you should configure these also, but I have set the default for all of these. The default values can be set exactly from the same location from where you set the description, the default description. All you have to do here, if you set your default, is to check the recording date as today, and this is all. We can go ahead and publish. However, I like to add also cards and end screens to my videos. So if you have TubeBuddy installed, then you can click here, cards, and this video will pop up. You can click
hello guys and welcome.
Create. I like to link to my website from here and simply add the card that links to my website. And also I like to add end screens to my videos because they increase the subscriber count. Click import from video and import from a video that you wish and save. This is a card that adds an end screen, sorry, not card, so an end screen that adds the best for viewer video and the subscribe button for my channel. Okay, so we finished also this. Now we can go ahead and hit publish for the video. Okay, so when the video is published, I usually go to YouTube and go to YouTube Studio, and there is one additional settings that it is not shown for videos in the current YouTube version. It is shown only in YouTube Studio. So if we go to the video we just uploaded and click on advanced, we will see that there is also video location, and I enter here CodeRevolution because I have my business on Google My Business and on Google Maps, and it will be visible also here, and the video will be geotagged to my business location, which also increases subscribe count. Okay, so we can see that the video is finished now, and it is ready to be published automatically by a schedule on 14 September at 1 o'clock local time. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more similar stuff and news about my plugins. And until next time, stay awesome. Bye bye.